No surprise there, right?
No. Let's see if there's any surprises at Coastal Roots Farm.
Casey McKinnon is live in Encinitas, and the sun has come up. Casey, now we can see the beautiful Coastal Roots.
Yes, the sun finally came out, but it just got a little bit more chilly out here. And we're at their new nature area for the kids to really explore. And we actually stumbled upon Jake, who's out here, and he's finding a lot of different ways to kind of entertain himself. So, Jake, I want to ask you, what you doing over here, bud?
I'm trying to build a track for some balls, but I don't know where they are.
Well, what are these things?
They're tubes for the ball to go in.
What do you think of this new area? You're having a blast out here, even though you're only here by yourself.
Yeah, I think it's really fun.
You do? Okay. Well, this is a really cool area for the kids to come. This is a place where they're going to have private events like birthday parties and stuff. And Kesha's joining us this morning. And what's that?
Good morning. Well, I'm baking first thing in the morning. Yes, I'm making a mud pie. Just over here, there's a couple of mud kitchens. So this is our brand new nature play and environmental learning space. And the whole point is to invite kids, really adults too, but kids, to come out here and improve their fine and gross motor skills, to use their imagination, to problem solve, use their bodies, use their minds, explore nature. Unstructured time is really important for kids. So we're so excited to be developing this space. It's still up and coming, but we're piloting our Nature Play daily visitor experience on Thursday mornings, the end of this month, between 9 and noon. A kid can come with a caregiver or a parent, and they can just come and explore. That's the whole point. But this space is used for our farm camp. It's used for our school and group visits, like you said, birthday parties, and this venue has actually become available for private events as well.
Okay, so I'm sure that the parents love having their lunch or get some work done on the picnic tables while their kids play in the mud kitchen.
Right. You know,
hey, Jake, go play in the mud kitchen. It'll make your mom really happy this morning.
You know, that's the thing. It's like there's a time and a place to get dirty, right? And at Coastal Roots Farm, we invite the kids. We get our hands dirty. We have sinks. We have bathrooms. We have parking. All the things that might concern a parent. But at the same time, a kid can come here. They can explore in a really safe way and just develop those skills and be out in nature and explore the outdoors.
Okay, well, when does this area open, as well as your after-school camps for kids to learn how to garden?
Yeah, so after-school farm camp is ongoing. Our current session goes through the end of November, a new one starting December, and folks can sign up for 1 week, they can sign up for 2 weeks, or up to 8 weeks at a time. So it's ongoing, and we invite folks to go onto our website, coastalrootsfarm.org, to check it out. This Nature Play daily visitor experience is starting the end of this month. It'll be on our website soon, end of October, but in the meantime, it is being used for after-school farm camp, school and group visits, birthday parties, private events, and all the good stuff.
Well, Jake's absolutely cracking me up this morning. He's finding just anything to keep him entertained. It's amazing what the kids can do, right?
Totally, yeah. So that's a 1950s. It's a real John Deere tractor. So the kids, he found the ball. The kids definitely get a kick out of that. It's a super fun climbing structure, and we have our low-level tree house. We're going to work on some ramps, make it ADA accessible. There's a stage there for imaginative play. These logs, I think, take center stage. It used to be the chickens that were the #1 for the kids. I think Nature Play has taken the cake, or the mud pie, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, this mud pie is looking delicious this morning, let me tell you. Paul and Lauren, are you hungry?
Yes, make sure you bake it.
That's one word for it.
I think it needs a little more time in the oven, Casey. See, Casey doesn't cook a lot, so.
A little bit more
gosh,
mud.
Here we go again.
All right, Case. Thank you.
Thanks, Casey.